The best digital photo frames will bring your memories to life as you stop and stare. The digital frame has certainly come a long way since it was introduced, with improved picture quality and vibrant color pop. In addition, the functionality and smart connectivity has come leaps and bounds as well. In short, a good photo frame can do so much more than just display your vacation snaps. There are many products available to best digital photo frames, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Mixplay 10.1 inches Smart Digital Photo Frame. America's top-selling digital frame, trusted by over 2.5 million Mixplay customers. Make it easy for you and even easier for grandma. With Mixplay you can send photos and video clips direct to your family's living rooms, privately, wherever they are, via the Mixplay iOS or Android mobile app, desktop web app, and email. Import your photos from Google Photos, Facebook, and Instagram. Mixplay design. Wall mount or tabletop, portrait or landscape, our frames can be easily positioned any way you want, and your content will automatically rotate. MixSense is our smart sensor that wakes the frame when you're in the room and sleeps the frame when you're not. Upon waking, your frame will display the most recently received photos, videos, and continue to do so even if frame gets disconnected from your Wi-Fi. Number 2. Dragon Touch Digital Picture Frame. Stay together with family. This Wi-Fi cloud photo frame can quickly update your life moments with your loved ones wherever you are. It helps to stay close to your family members. It is a perfect gift for the elder to feel connected with the young generation. Instant wireless sharing. Other than traditional digital photo frame, Classic 10 can instantly receive photos and videos via Wi-Fi network. You, your families, and friends can share the moments to the frame with multi-convenient methods, such as phone app, sending email, or turning the frame to be a local FTP server. Wonderful picture display. A high-quality 10.1 touchscreen display with 1280 by 800 resolution and 16:10 aspect ratio recalls your precious memories. Customized sleep mode and auto-rotate settings support your better viewing experience. You can place this frame in either portrait or landscape mode, or even mount it on the wall. Number 3. Ezio 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame. A perfect gift to keep you connected. Instantly share photos from your phone to an Ezio digital picture frame through Framo app. Invite unlimited friends and family to share pictures to Framo digital photo frame or send photos to their digital picture frames all via Wi-Fi. Additionally, it is a perfect gift for the elderly who are not good at using smartphones to stay connected with the younger generation. Instant wireless sharing. Framo is a pro photo management app originated from Denmark with users in 25+ countries around the world. It ranks first in App Store, being the most popular photo album software. Ezio Framo digital picture frame allows you to upload photos with unlimited quantity. Also with USB port and SD card slot to provide you more options for file storage and management. Number 4. 10.1 Wi-Fi digital photo frame. Canopdogips touchscreen smart cloud photo frame. Digital picture frame with 10.1-inch high-definition 1280x800 IPS touchscreen that can display amazing clear and vivid landscape and portraits, recalling every details of your best moment. Easy-use touchscreen provides convenient operation, particularly friendly for older or non-techies. Digital photo frame only need to connect wireless network. Download the Framo app, which is available for both Android and iOS mobile phones. Then your families and friends can share the moments to the frame with multi-convenient methods, such as phone app. The functional and stylish distressed wood frame is the best choice for living room, bedroom, office decoration. Auto rotation and wall mountable feature allows you to put the frame on the wall as you want. Auto-rotate design makes the photos, videos always be shown in correct way. Number 5. The SIMB 13.5-inch 32GB 3 Kelvin digital photo frame dual-band Wi-Fi 3 Kelvin Ultra Clear Large IPS display and light sensor, featured with a superb 3000x2000 resolution and an aspect ratio of 3:2. The smart frame displays stunning and clear images. IPS screen ensures a wide viewing angle and accurate color reproduction to present every detail of the cherished moments in life. The light sensor makes the frame automatically adjust the brightness to give you a special viewing experience. Dual band Wi-Fi instant sharing. SIMB digital photo frame with unlimited cloud storage and OS enable you to share video clips and photos securely and privately via dual Wi-Fi from anywhere via vPhoto app and email, which makes the photos displayed in one place to bring all precious moments to alive.